Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to see passwords in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Press on privacy. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of autofill service from Google. Click on this. Now go to Google Password Manager. From here, you can able to see your passwords. That's it. So this is how to see passwords in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.